this video, I am going to solve some different examples of simultaneous differential equation. The procedure is same only, but here the RHS part is t contained, so it is independent variable and x and y are dependent variable. So put d is equal to d by dt, then for this as equation 1 and this as equation 2. So equation 1 and equation 2 turns to be dx minus x plus dy is equal to 1 plus 2t, and equation 2, that is 2 dx plus x plus 2 dy is equal to t. So again here from the first equation the term x is common, so it is d minus 1 into x plus dy is equal to 1 plus 2t, and here it is xm is common, then into the bracket we have 2d, or we can write it as 2d plus 1 into x plus 2 dy is equal to t. So to eliminate the y term, here for this as equation 3 and this as equation 4, to eliminate y term, so we have to multiply equation 3 by 2 and subtracting these two equation. By subtracting means it is d minus 1 of x plus 2d minus 1 of x plus 2 dy is equal to 2 plus 4t, and this equation 4 is as it is 2d plus 1 into x and plus 2dy is equal to d. Subtracting equation 3 and equation 4 means the sign of the second equation will be changes. If we have plus, then it is minus. If we have minus, then it is plus. So here the term plus 2dy minus 2dy get cancels, and the terms are 2d minus 2 and minus 2d minus 1 into x is equal to 2d minus 2 and minus 2d minus 1 into x, and here it is 2 plus 4t minus t, that is plus 3. 2 plus 4t minus t, that is plus 3. Then simplify the term. Here it is 2d minus 2d get cancels, then minus 2 minus 1, that is minus 3x is equal to minus 3x is equal to 2 plus 3t, and x is equal to minus 2 by 3 and minus t. X is equal to minus 2 by 3 and minus t. So differentiate this x term, or again we can write that x is equal to minus t minus 2 by 3, because in equation 1 and equation 2 dx upon dt plus dy by dt minus x is equal to 1 plus 2t. So here we get the x value. Okay, then differentiating this x term with respect to t, then we get the dx upon dt. Then after that we have to find the dy by dt value. Dy by dt, then we can separate the variables, then we get integrating, then we get the y value. So x is equal to minus t minus 2 by 3 for this as equation 5, and differentiate this equation with respect to t, then it is dx upon dt is equal to minus 1 minus minus 1 only, because minus 0, because differentiation of constant term with respect to t is 0. Dx upon dt is nothing but minus 1. So now I can put this value in equation 1 or in equation 2. So I can consider equation 2. Therefore equation 2 becomes 2 into dx upon dt. 2 into dx upon dt means it is minus 1, and plus 2 dy by dt plus x, but here already we have minus t, minus 2 by 3, plus into minus becomes again it is minus t, minus 2 by 3, that is 2 into dx upon dt. Dx upon dt is nothing but minus 1, plus 2 into dy by dt, as it is x value is minus t, minus 2 by 3 is equal to t. Then 2 into dy by dt, minus 2 and minus 2 by 3, that is nothing but minus t and minus 8 divided by 3, because here the LCM is 3. 3 into 2 minus 6 minus 2, that is minus 8 by 3 is equal to t. So again 2 into dy by dt is equal to, bring these terms to RHS, then it becomes t plus t, that is 2t plus 8 by 3. The next dy by dt is equal to t plus 4 by 3. T plus 4 by 3. The next dy is equal to t plus 4 by 3 into dt. Now integrating on both the side, we get integrating on both the side, then it is integration of dy is equal to integration of t plus 4 by 3 with respect to t plus integral constant, that is c1. Integration of 1 with respect to y is equal to integration of t with respect to t, that is t square divided by 2 plus 4 by 3 plus integral constant c1. Call this as equation 6. Therefore equation 5 and 6 gives the complete solution for given differential equations. This completes the solution of this example.